Hi dear friends, we have a product in engineering grout range named FlowGrout EPR. FlowGrout EPR is a 3-pack solvent-free, free-flow epoxy resin grout designed for grouting of top widths of 10 to 75 mm. The benefits of using FlowGrout EPR are: it is non-shrinking with excellent adhesion property. It has very high early and ultimate strength with excellent chemical and weathering resistance. It has maximum protection against attack from minerals, acid oils, strong alkalis, etc. It is self-curing, so no need for damp curing or membrane curing compound. It has resistance to vibration and impact, particularly applicable where cycle of compressions or tensions make cementitious grout unsuitable. It is supplied in pre-measured volumes, which eliminates the need of on-site measuring and hence ensures product performance. It has excellent volume stability, maximum bonding with concrete substrate, and load transferring to foundation. It has extended pourable life up to 30 to 40 minutes after mixing even at high temperatures. It is most moisture insensitive product. FlowGrout EPR can be used for the precision grouting of heavy duty rails, machinery, compressor, dowel bars, studs, etc., where minimum shutdown time for production machinery is of primary consideration. It is used in base plate grouting in dynamic load conditions, machine base plates and crane rail grouting. FlowGrout EPR is a free-flowing grouting system formulated to give good flow properties without filler separation. FlowGrout EPR has the better flow properties at either ambient or higher temperatures. It is advisable to use this grout in thick sections at ambient temperatures of 30 degrees Celsius or above. Before application of FlowGrout EPR, mixing is required. FlowGrout EPR epoxy comprises of 3 components, that is resin, base and aggregates, which are supplied pre-weighted in the correct proportions. It is essential that the aggregates should be kept dry and free from frost. When required for application, the hardener should be first poured into the can containing the base and drained well. The components should be thoroughly mixed, preferably with mechanical stir. Example, an electric drill with stirrer attachment until a uniform liquid is obtained. Then the aggregates should be added slowly to liquid and mixed thoroughly until all the aggregates have been wetted out and the mortar is of uniform color and consistency. FlowGrout EPR is supplied in 3 constituents and the volume of yield is 5 liters. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.